Hello? Ah, hello.
What?
I'm looking to change my mobile.
What do you want? A medal?
You do work here, don't you?
Yeah, but I don't want to.
Well, either way, could you tell me about some of your phones, please?
Okay. See that one over there? That is a phone. That's another one. There's another one. Another one. That's a different one. And there's another phone.
I know. Do you have any details about the phone?
I've only been here for a month. Hello, mate. You wanker! What?
Phones. What about this one? What features has this phone got?
Okay, features on this phone. See the buttons on the front? They're for dialing. See the little whole thing there? That's where the words come out the mouth, into the phone, and they're up in the sky. And that's pretty much all the features on the phone.
Right, I want to see your manager, please.
Boss! Customer wants to see her. Boss! She won't go away!
Hang on. Hang on. Look at you.
You look well angry. Classic!
So, how can I help?
I've been trying to get some information.
Hey?
Your colleague here has been most
No,
unhelpful.
it's no good. I can't hear you.
I've been asking the most basic
No, it's no
questions.
good. You're breaking up.
About one of your phones.
No, I'm going through a tunnel. I can't hear you. No. If you can still hear me, call me back later. Yeah, all right. See ya. Oh, she's still here.